How's it going, everyone? I'm EpicRobloxianKing. I've started playing Roblox in 2010. I've always had the dream of being a game dev, and when I was younger, I tried many times to make RPG games on Roblox using like kits and free models and stuff. But recently I got the urge to make a RPG game again, and I really want to make it play like precisely how I want it to, so in order to do that, I'll have to script the entire game myself. So I've spent the last 2 weeks learning to script, and here's what I've learned so far. So I have this floating platform here that's anchored, and when it is touched, it'll become unanchored and fall. That's pretty cool. Got this green block that increases your walk speed. And then over here, we've got this ball that will say ball has been pushed. It'll print ball has been pushed when it's touched. And then I've got these red and blue goals. So when I push it into the red goal, it'll say blue team has scored. This blue has scored. So that's pretty cool. And then over, if I hit the blue wall, it'll say red has scored. That's pretty cool. Then I've also got this red part over here that will kill the player. So these are the gameplay mechanics that I've learned in script. And then we've also got like if and else if statements, and then loops. So that's the kind of stuff that I've learned so far in just 2 weeks. It's pretty cool. So we're getting there, getting towards that goal of making an actual game. I've been watching the Dev King. He has a playlist of beginner to pro scripting tutorials. So I'm on episode 14. So I've been watching one a day, so it's been 2 weeks. His videos are like 5 to 10 minutes long. They're pretty short and easy to understand. And then you just apply it. You just write the scripts in Studio, and then you keep trying to recall them from memory and keep writing new scripts using different variables. And it's pretty fun. So excited to see where I'll be in the next 2 weeks. I'll have a better understanding of what I already know. I'll be able to like write it from memory maybe, and all the new stuff I'll learn. So this is my journey to making my own RPG game. I'm 2 weeks in, so we'll see how that goes. See you guys in the next one.